I love me a good thrift store flip, and this video has 5 for you. Hey everyone, welcome back to DIY Beauty on Purpose. My name is Leonette, and let's get started. For this DIY, I am going to take this lantern that I thrifted for $4.99. Guys, I was so thrilled. It's actually a really good size. I removed the faux candle because it was not working. It was rusted. I even placed new batteries, just not working. I also removed the glass from all 3 panels. I just don't like having glass in my home for my decor, and this is really true glass, so I just removed them. I gave everything a good scrub, and then I spray painted it with Rust-Oleum flat white paint. A couple of coats is all that it needed. I just wanted to make sure that it was fully covered, but also not perfect, because I did want it to have a little bit of a distressed look. Once it was dry, I then took it inside, and now I'm going to just add a little bit of a rusted look to it. I'm going to add Antiquing Wax by Waverly. I'm just going to start adding it on the edges, anywhere where metal and metal meet, where it just makes it look like it's just rusted through the years. Once I was done rusting it, I basically just added several sunflowers that I got at the Dollar General just to add a little bit more of a spring tone to it. And guys, this lantern turned out absolutely beautiful. What a great find. Alright, for this next DIY, I am going to take this wood frame that I got at the thrift store as well, and I am going to give it several coats of Rust-Oleum chalk paint in the linen white. I did about 3 coats, and I did them in different directions because I want this to have a nice texture to it, almost like a canvas.
Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile? Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on.
Alright, so now I am going to start freehanding my own art. I always get so nervous when I do this. I don't do it all the time, but if you follow me for a while, you know that every so often I like to create my own artwork. And so here I am. I'm just using several different chalk paints and a little bit of Waverly Antiquing Wax, and I'm just going to start freehanding a nice beautiful summer-like art, and I'm just going to let you watch while I do it. I find it very relaxing. I hope you do too, and let's see how it turns out at the end.
I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here?
All right, friends, so we're just about done here. I'm just adding some last few details. Let me know what you think down in the comments. I get so nervous, but I really love the way it turned out, and what a difference from what it looked like before. Wow.
Forever. I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop.
All right, guys, so I want to tell you that today's video is sponsored by Sutera. Sutera is known for helping people discover their best sleep ever with top-of-the-line sleeping products. They also carry a 100% pure silk pillowcase called Hydroluna, which is infused with hyaluronic acid deep within the silk fibers, which can bring benefits to your hair and skin all while you sleep. The hyaluronic acid infused 100% silk fibers can help prevent hair damage and give you a radiant skin. Guys, I just recently turned 40 years old, and I have taken my skincare routine a lot more serious, and this is just an added benefit, an added step that I know is going to help my skin feel and look 100% better. My first impression when I received the box is wow, the quality and the softness of this pillowcase. Have you ever felt anything that is 100% pure silk? Because I haven't. This was my very first time, guys. I quickly took it to my bed and I started putting it on my pillow. I didn't even iron it because that's how excited I was. I placed it on my bed, and let me tell you, my first experience sleeping with it, you can really tell the difference. I'm excited to see the benefits that it's going to bring to my skincare. I have the link down in the description box for this pillow. Check it out. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope it brings you so many good benefits to your skin as well. Alright guys, so now I am going to make a little mixture that I use chalk paint and spackle, and I just eye it out, guys. There's no right or wrong way. This one I just want it to be a little bit more on the smoother side, so I'm just going to add a little hefty amount of a teaspoon here of spackle to some chalk paint, mix it up really well where it kind of looks like melted ice cream. And then I'm just going to start painting this little milk jug that I got at the thrift store. It is beautiful. It's just not my style, but wow, what a beautiful find. This was only 99 cents and I'm so excited. So I'm going to give it 2.5 coats. I just want it to be really textured, almost looking like it's ceramic, and I think I conquered it, but let me know what you think. It was hard to see when it had the blue tone, but it does have the word milk on it. You can kind of tell there. So I'm just going to bring it out using some antiquing wax. And then I am going to distress it just a little bit and then wipe it down just to kind of just make it a little bit lighter. And that's it for this one, guys. I think it turned out super cute. What a beautiful just little jug to add to my kitchen decor, or really any decor. And I just love the way it turned out.
Soul, hurt, and fire and ice. Raindrops, teardrops
Alright friends, don't forget that this month's giveaway is a crafting heat gun, and all you have to do to enter is watch and comment. Any comments made in March 2021 will be entered for this giveaway. Alright friends, for this next DIY, I am going to take this bottle. I am going to keep it black the way it is, but I made another little mixture of the paint and spackle, this time using Waverly ink paint, and I'm just going to smooth it out right onto the bottle. I find this so therapeutic, guys. I love just doing this, and it's just gonna again give it a very ceramic look to this bottle, which is already stunning in itself. It was only 99 cents, guys. Yikes, what a great find.
Look out, here she comes, the woman that I love. It's too bad she'll never know. Yeah, I can't tell her how I feel, because she has someone who makes her happy. I'm a ghost.
Now I'm going to take some chalk paint. This is the Rust-Oleum Linen White Chalk Paint. I'm just going to start spritzing it here with one of my stenciling brushes just so that it looks like it's speckled all around it and add a little bit more texture. And then I am going to add some white jute twine to the top with several knots and leaving some strands just hanging. And that's it, guys. Gonna keep it on the simple end, but what a beautiful addition to any decor. I can't wait to place it in my own decor. I love it.
Or at least I try to be, 'cause I hope that I'm not showing how I feel for her, but she won't feel the same for me. I've got this picture in my mind. It's just the two of us, just the two of us. But I know I have to try to let her go, because she won't be mine. I listen when she talks.
And don't forget that I would also love to connect with you down on Instagram if you have an account yourself. I do have the link down in the description box, so check it out. Hit that follow button and we can connect. Alright, for this next DIY, I'm going to take this box and I'm going to remove the little flamingo that's in the front. Not that I don't like it, it's just not quite my style. I'm going to sand it down just a little bit, and then I'm going to give everything two coats of Rust-Oleum chalk paint in the linen white. And then in the front, only the middle little plank is going to be white, and then the other two are going to be blue using Rust-Oleum chalk paint in the coastal blue. I'm just going to detail the little edges and making sure that it just looks nicely finished, as well as in between the planks. I am now going to make a little flower arrangement. These are just some leaves and flowers from the Dollar Tree. I am going to place them together and join them using jute twine and hot glue it to the front to cover up a little bit of that excess glue that was kept on the box. Alright, so once I hot glue it here, guys, we'll be done with this one. And what a beautiful transformation this box took. Wow. I love it with these towels right in it. And this is it for today, guys. Oh my gosh, what a beautiful transformation all these items got. If you're visiting for the first time, thank you so much for coming by. I hope you consider subscribing and joining our YouTube family. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. I would love to hear which one of these is your favorite. Let me know what you think of that hand painted sign that I made. And guys, I'm going to have a playlist here with tons more of inspiration for you. Check it out. I'll see you later. Have a blessed day. Bye.